feed these hungry Steam Deck fans again with some updates. And this list is big. Hello viewers, another beautiful day. Yep, hope your 5 senses work, health and strength is good or excellent. Hey, what's up? What's up, Steam Deck users? Alright, listen to this. Steam Stable Update release in a beta with lots of fixes for desktop and Steam Deck. It says Valve released multiple updates just recently, including a Steam Stable Client update for all and another beta release with fixes for desktop and Steam Deck. It says fix up with Stable Update contain these 2 fixes. Fix on-screen keyboard filling to hide fully after entering text in-game. Fix an issue where demos would not show play button after changing accounts. The beta update is quite a bit more exciting, which includes more tweaks for the new game recording, plus solving various other bugs. Here, all from the beta update. And it says general improvements to keyboard events tracking and audio latency is updated SDL build. Fix Control F and not focus search box in the library. Improve time cut logic when establish initial connection from user interface layer to Steam client API layer. Then it says improve the client startup performance. Improve file extension handling in the save dialog box. Fix broken thumbnail for screenshots from non-Steam games. Shortcut update to Steam when viewed from another computer. See, so I got this. It says here, okay, fix a case that game server browser list would refetch when only reaping on existing list was requested. Fix IME not working in Steam overlay in some games. Fix blurriness in third effects when hovering and rotating trading cards. Fix some games with achievements showing no achievements when sorting grids or shelves by achievements percentage. Fix certain apps disappearing from recent games after a client restarted. Now, Steam China. Fix an issue preventing the user from entering a private content beta for a game if the game had no public content betas. Okay, game recording. Improve thumbnail smoothness when mouse tracking across different highlights regions on the timeline. Add a max frame rate setting. Currently supports 30 to 60 FPS. Fix issues preventing default MP4 files extension from being applied to user saves files if the user did not type an extension allowing with the file name. Fix a bug causing the live timeline edge to deviate from the actual live edge of the current recording. Fix a bug that caused clips to lose their thumbnails when sent from one computer to another. Fix game timeline marker not being downloaded in rare cases. Clock and timer. New clock app in the Steam overlay that can optionally be pinned on top of games. Improve timer user interface. Big picture mode. Add warnings to game recording overlay page when broadcasting / remote playing. Remote play. Simplify encoding options to a hardware encoding enable checkbox. Steam input. Fix for SI API get motion data, not returning any information on every controller, but the first one plugged in. Fix for Okami HD brush and fishing rod game action. And that's for Steam input. Linux. Fix a crash that could occur at exit while cleaning up web sockets. Okay. Mac OS. Fix issue preventing the hardware encoder enable settings from being honored. Note this beta was released with additional changes. Fix save files dialog and overlay, sometimes replacing parts of the file name with the file extension. Fix an issue where demos would not show a play button after changing accounts. Specific to the Steam Deck from the beta update. Fixed controller input no longer going to game after resuming from sleep if a wake movie is set. And that is that. So when it comes to the Steam Deck or your laptop or your desktop, especially with the Steam Deck, like I've always told you, you need to put a 2 terabyte SSD here, and that's for all your Proton, Steam OS, all those updates, right? And then for all your the apps like within the store for your Creo utility Chikai 4 deck. That's what the 2 terabyte of storage is for. Then when you're installing your games now, you put that like on a SD card. Like right now at Amazon, you can get a 1.5 terabyte SD card for about $83. So you put your games out here. But for like the system updates, like for the Steam OS, the Steam OS's Protons and all that, they go on the internal, right? So updates are coming in at any given second, any given minute, any given day, any given week or month. So updates are always on the march because users send feedback to the developers, then the developers respond with updates. So updates are always coming in. So when it comes to the Steam Deck though, when it comes to the 256 gig 64 gig model, 256 512, you put a 2 terabyte SSD in here. And for the 512 OLED and the 1 terabyte OLED, you do the same, put a 2 terabyte SSD. So that means you go inside the Steam Deck like one time, make the switch. So when those updates are coming in, you're prepared, you know, because you're gonna need it for all those Protons that you need to run your games and so forth. And then when it comes to your games, you would put it on an SD card and then or an external SSD when you mount it. So yeah, and then go on from there. So updates are like this, rolling in, marching in, you know. So yeah. But other than that, man, you Steam Deck fans, you're good. News, deals, games, update, the usual, you know. There's some new games coming out like college football and Madden. So they say Madden is coming out for PC. So Valve should be preparing to fix whatever issue comes, you know. So I'm sure they're going to be talking to EA too, you know, so to make sure that those games run on the Steam Deck. And when news break of that, I'll let you know for sure. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still Star Wars, Star Trek fan, Borg, Dark Side. Go. Peace.